Learn Norwegian, have, fast.
Ha.
From.
Jeg har.
To.
De har.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, welcome aboard. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll laugh, clap, and lock in the Norwegian verb for have.
Ha.
By the end, you'll confidently use
Jeg har. Du har.
all the way to
De har.
your goal today. In just a few minutes, you will be able to say who has what, clearly and confidently. Goal. Understand and pronounce the base form.
Ha.
And the present forms.
Jeg har. Du har. Han har. Hun har. Det har. Vi har. Dere har. De har.
Use them in friendly, everyday lines. Forms in a flash. Repeat after me, nice and loud. Rhythm makes memory sticky. Base form. Have equals.
Ha.
I have equals.
Jeg har.
You have, singular, equals.
Du har.
He has equals.
Han har.
She has equals.
Hun har.
It has equals.
Det har.
We have equals.
Vi har.
You have, plural, equals.
Dere har.
They have equals.
De har.
Cabin comedy dialogue. Picture a cozy Norwegian cabin, snow outside, waffles inside, and you checking who has what. You ask your friend, do you have time? In Norwegian.
Har du tid?
You smile and answer, I have a plan.
Jeg har en plan.
Pointing at your buddy, he has the keys.
Han har nøklene.
Nodding toward your friend, she has the tickets.
Hun har billettene.
About the gadget on the table, it has 2 buttons.
Det har 2 knapper.
Group cheer. We have snacks.
Vi har snacks.
You all have the map.
Dere har kartet.
They have the thermos.
De har termosen.
Beat drill. Clap clap, speak on the beat, own the forms. You say, I have. I say,
Jeg har.
clap. You say, you have, singular. I say,
Du har.
clap. You say, he has. I say,
Han har.
clap. You say, she has. I say,
Hun har.
clap. You say, it has. I say,
Det har.
clap. You say, we have. I say,
Vi har.
clap. You say, you have, plural. I say,
Dere har.
clap. You say, they have. I say,
De har.
clap. Bonus negation. I do not have time.
Jeg har ikke tid.
Clap. Mini quiz. Quick check. Say it before I do. Translate. We have 2 tickets. Answer.
Vi har 2 billetter.
Translate. Do you have a minute? Singular you. Answer.
Har du et minutt?
Translate. She has no time today. Answer.
Hun har ikke tid I dag.
Translate. They have a plan. Answer.
De har en plan.
Translate. It has a crack. Answer.
Det har en sprekk.
Translate. I have a reservation. Answer.
Jeg har en reservasjon.
Culture tip. Make it memorable with a cozy image you can reuse. At a Norwegian cabin, someone proudly announces, we have waffles ready.
Vi har vafler klare.
When agreeing with someone, you'll often hear, you are right, literally, you have right.
Du har rett.
Link that warm moment to the form.
Har.
And your brain will smile every time. Challenge and goodbye. Ready for a final push and a friendly send-off? Lightning challenge. Say all 8 present forms plus the base, in order.
Ha. Jeg har. Du har. Han har. Hun har. Det har. Vi har. dere har, de har.
Go. Create 2 mini sentences now. 1. I have time. 2. They have coffee. Example answers.
Jeg har tid. De har kaffe.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a little every day and you'll own these forms for life. For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. VS's